This is our CAE. Oh shit.
The Washington State Patrol has requested the activation of the emergency alert system to broadcast an Amber Alert. A 14-year-old male by the name of Carl Jefferson was abducted yesterday by his uncle, Adam Jefferson. Carl is described as a 5-foot white male, blue eyes, last seen wearing a gray hoodie and blue jeans. His abductor, Adam, is described as a white male, 5'4", last seen wearing a blue shirt and gray pants. Both parties were last seen in the community of Marshall. If you have any information about the possible location of Carl, please call 360-596-4000. If you spot the child or suspect, call 911 immediately. Do not approach the child or suspect.
Oh shit.